You guys feel like running a business is like playing a game of dodgeball? I remember the first time when I played dodgeball. I've never seen it before. I was born in the ex-Soviet Union, so I immigrated when I was about 10, 11 years old. And I remember it was summer school, and we're standing outside, and all of a sudden I get hit with a ball. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Well, we started playing dodgeball. I had no idea what dodgeball was, but I learned very quickly what dodgeball was and how it works. And I just remembered that moment, when I get hit with the dodgeball. And running a business is kind of like playing a game of dodgeball, right? We're dodging balls all day, every hour, right? There's things coming in at us nonstop. What I wanted to say is cybersecurity is kind of like a dodgeball. Unfortunately, a lot of businesses are trying to avoid it. Right? They're not trying to invest into proper cybersecurity to protect the business as much as possible, right? And unfortunately, one of these times, you're going to get hit with that ball, right? That cyber event. Whether somebody's going to click on an email, a link, an attachment, somebody's going to transfer some money or buy some gift cards. We see this, very frequently that it happens. So please take our advice. Don't run your business, especially with the cybersecurity, like a dodgeball. Invest into a proper cybersecurity solution that would help mitigate those risks, lower the risks, right? We want to make sure that we put a lot of different fences up that we're blocking all of those dodgeballs from coming in. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO and founder of itfirm.com. For more information, or if you need assistance with your cybersecurity, please reach out to us. The link is below. Thank you so much and have a great day.